The 4-channel car dash cam with GPS, night vision, and Wi-Fi is a powerful tool for drivers seeking comprehensive road coverage and security. This 1080p FHD DVR camera consists of a front lens, left lens, right lens, and an optional rear lens, providing a nearly 360-degree view while driving. The ultra-wide 170-degree lens and 3-inch LCD screen ensure crisp and clear recordings, even at high speeds. With its independent left and right lenses, users can capture both the road and the cabin, offering enhanced surveillance and documentation. A standout feature of this dash cam is its built-in Wi-Fi module, allowing users to access footage in real time through a mobile app. The night vision capability, supported by an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, ensures exceptional recording quality in low-light conditions. Whether driving at night or in complete darkness, the latest night vision sensors provide clear and detailed imagery. Additionally, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps an eye on the vehicle even when it's parked, adding an extra layer of security. The loop recording function automatically overwrites old footage when storage is full, ensuring continuous recording. The built-in G-sensor detects collisions and locks important footage, preventing accidental deletion. Supporting up to a 64 GB memory card, this dash cam is designed for reliability and ease of use. With a robust working temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius and multi-language support, it is suitable for various environments and users worldwide. This feature-packed dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize safety, clarity, and convenience. Cheap car dash cam available on Aliexpress.